Can we delete multiple friends on Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says, can we delete multiple friends on Snapchat? So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you upfrontly, there isn't a one tap option to remove multiple friends on Snapchat at once, but you can quickly remove them one by one using this method. So here to do that, simply open the Snapchat app on your phone, and now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just scroll down and there you just have to tap on my friends option. And now here in this section, here you will see the list of all the peoples that you have added on your Snapchat account. So here simply find the friends that you want to delete, and after that you can just press and hold on the username, and after that a menu will appear on the screen. So from there you just have to tap on manage friendship, and after that you just have to tap on remove friend and confirm it by tapping on remove. And once you do that, the person will be removed from your friends list. And here to delete multiple friends, simply repeat the same step for each person that you want to remove. So with that, currently Snapchat does not provide an option to remove many friends at the same time, so they must be removed individually. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.